Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 Kubota BX2380 subcompact tractor with an LA 344 quick attach loader, RCK 60-23BX 60-inch belly mower deck. Tractor has 413 hours. Very clean tractor. Loader was not used very much whatsoever. Has the holes in it for the bolt-on cutting edge. Tractor is extremely clean. Powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. We've done a full service. All filters and oils have been changed with OEM Kubota filters. Hood is extremely straight. Sheet metal very, very nice. Rubber is going to be about 75%. Mower deck is in very good condition. Caster wheels are all good. Folding ROPS. Cat 1 3-point hitch. 540 PTO. Does have the suspension style Kubota seat. This tractor still has factory powertrain warranty until 12/28 of 2024. Again, 413 hours on this tractor. You're going to have your high and low range. You're going to have your four-wheel drive in and out, joystick loader control, treadle pedal there for forward and reverse, brake, PTO. We're going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Their four-wheel drive was out, high and low range. We're going to go ahead and go to the high range. The Kubota BX is probably one of the best little subcompact tractors out there on the market. Very simple to work on. They hold it extremely well. Resale value, very economical to run and use. We really like these little tractors. Very easy to control. We do a lot of different stuff with them as far as attachments, capabilities, with your Cat 1 3-point hitch. Throw the mower in for you. Power steering. You got your 540 PTO. Category 1 3-point hitch again. Grill guard. This tractor has the turf tire package on it. Again, 413 hours. The 80 series does have a tilt steering wheel, which is nice. Again, very, very good running, working tractor. Park brake, turn signals, 4 ways, headlights, everything works. Tractor will come with 2 keys and a set of books and manuals. We guarantee every one of our tractors that we sell, it's 100%. We've serviced it, went through it. That's how we do things here. I'm not in the business of selling junk. There are a lot of guys out there that do that. That is not me. It's not my MO. It's not my thing. Everything we sell has been serviced. It is going through and ready to work. As we state, I do have a snow plow available for this tractor. The gentleman actually had a power angle plow for this. We're selling separately. Again, extremely clean, extremely nice piece. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.